Hey, everyone! Do you ever feel like your iPhone call log gets cluttered with spam calls, telemarketers, or just numbers you don't really need anymore? It can be really annoying when you're scrolling through trying to find an important number, but all you see are calls you don't want. The good news is that cleaning up your call history on the iPhone is super easy, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open the phone app. At the bottom, make sure you're on the Recents tab, where all of your call history is stored. Now, look at the top left corner and tap on Edit. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see that you can checkmark any of the calls you don't want to keep. Go through your list, tick all the spam numbers, scam calls, or just the ones you'd like to remove. When you're done selecting, tap the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. All the calls you selected are now gone. This way, your call history stays organized, clean, and free from clutter. So the next time your call log feels messy, just take a few seconds to delete the calls you don't need. It's simple, effective, and keeps your iPhone running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.